Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in final series unit 1, so we discuss many tests about convergence and divergence of info given in final series, in which and the third one is geometric series test, P test, integral test, and comparison test. Last one, limit comparison test series, comparison test of convergence. So let us go to the topic now. That's why we discuss the properties of infinite series. Three important properties. First property, by addition or subtraction of some finite number of terms to the infinite series, from of infinite series, the nature of the series remains unchanged, means the nature of convergence or divergence remains unchanged. And second one, by multiplying each term of the given infinite series with a finite constant, the nature remains unchanged. If the given series, original series is convergence, by multiplying each term of that series with a common finite constant, the nature remains unchanged. Okay, and the third one is addition of two convergence series is again convergence, and addition of two divergence series is again divergence, but addition of convergence and divergence series is divergence. Okay, so remember these 3 points. So P test completed. Uh, yeah, comparison test. Yesterday we discussed about this test, comparison test. So again, statement also we discussed about statement yesterday. Just a statement I will stop there. So today I'm again repeat this comparison test, or also we call limit comparison test. What is the comparison test? Let sigma un and sigma bn be two positive term series such that limit of the ratio of their nth terms, limit of nth term of the first series by limit of by nth term of the second. That is ratio of the nth terms of both the series. Limit of un by vn is equal to L, where L is a non-zero finite quantity, a non-zero finite real number. Then both sigma un and sigma bn converges or diverges together. That means they behave alike. If sigma vn is convergence, sigma un also converges. If sigma vn is divergence, then sigma un also diverges. Okay, that is the meaning of behave alike of both the series. Okay. Now, what are the conditions? Which conditions we apply this test? First one, if the given series nth term un is in the form of the function of n by other function f of n by g of n, where f of n, g of n both are polynomial or functions of n, polynomial functions of n. See the degree, where degree of fn is less than degree of gn. Okay. Next, the conditions. So what are the conditions to apply comparison test? So second one is if the nth term contains sine or tan functions, such that these limits, standard limits applicable. What are the limits? Limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta, or limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta. So if it is possible to apply these two limits applicable, in such conditions only we apply this test when nth term contains sine or tan functions. Next, third condition, when two power terms with a different base are involved. See, 2 power n is there, 5 power n is there, different bases. Okay, when two power terms with a different base are involved in the nth term. These are about only nth term. Every test depends on nth term nature. Okay? If nth term in the form of 1 by n power p, what is the test amount? What is the suitable test?
P test.
P test. Metric form rule. Suppose the terms are in geometric progression. What is the suitable test?
Geometric test.
Yes. Simple. Okay. Suppose if it is possible to compute sum of first n terms.
SN test.
SN test. Very good. You have to apply not SN, not geometric, not P test. First test is for any series. You have to apply nth term test. So we discussed about it in last class. Nth term test are also called test of divergence. Just to apply the limit on nth term for of the given series. If the limit is non-zero, then that series is divergence. If the limit is zero, no conclusion can be drawn. Means it may a divergence or convergence. In such case, you have to go for other test. But the limit is non-zero, then only we can conclude the nature of the series. That is, the series is divergence according to the test of divergence. Okay. And the fourth condition to apply limit comparison test, perform rationalization when square roots are involved. When the given nth term is in the radical form, I think cubic root or square root, whatever it is, radical form are there, then try to eliminate radical form by applying rationalization topos. Okay. So these four conditions, remember, to apply limit comparison test. Here some examples are given. So before going to discuss about this example, where we must able to form this VN. What is the VN series? Okay, actually your subject is on UN. UN is your given series, but VN we have to form this VN. Okay, this is our choice. We have to find VN according by using depends on your given nth term of the series UN. So now I'm going to share other screen. Yeah, is my screen visible, ma? Students, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, where sigma un is our given series. Now we have to form what is sigma vn. Where what is the vn formula? Yesterday I told vn is nothing but n power e minus q. So when un in the form of f of n by g of n, some function n by n, then vn depends on this rule. Well, what is n? What is the n? What is p? What is q? So where p is degree of numerator function, that means degree of f of n, and whereas q as degree of denominator function. Suppose, for example, if un is n square plus n plus 2 by n power 4 plus 3n cube minus 2, then how to form pn? Vn? What one?
N power 2 minus
N power 2.
n power 2 minus
4.
4. That is n is equal to n power minus 2, 1 by n square. Here only we can discuss the nature of Bn, because Bn is either in the form of P series or geometry. So this is being P series. So sigma Vn, by applying the sigma both sides, sigma En is nothing but 1 by n square. So this is in the form of P
1 by
series,
n
1 by n power P. What is P value here?
2.
What is the P value, Uma?
2.
2.
2. So if P is 2, then what is the nature of series?
Convergence.
Convergence. Sigma Vn is convergence.
Convergent.
So if sigma Vn convergence, then sigma Un also convergence.
Convergent.
When? If the limit of Un by Vn is non-zero, find it. So if sigma Vn is convergence, the sigma Un also converges according to limit comparison test. If this limit non-zero, find it. So indirectly, we are going to find the given series nature using intermediate series. This is intermediate series. This is also called auxiliary series, helping series. With the help of this series, we are going to find the nature of the given series Un. Okay. So remember that where Vn is depends on the degree of numerator and degree of denominator of Un. Okay. So remember. Vn is equal to n power P minus Q, where P is degree of denominator, sorry, numerator, and Q is equal to degree of denominator. Remember. And one more thing, this is first case. Now check the pattern. Students wait for a minute. The power gone. The total. Yeah. Okay. Right. Am I audible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now the form very important. Vn, we have to find Vn actually. This is your given series Un, but Vn అనేది మనం prepare చేయాలి. So what is the rule for Vn? Very simple. If Un is in the form of some function of n by other function of n, some suppose ratio of the polynomial, in such case you have to find the Vn using this formula, n power p minus q, where p is the degree of f of n, first numerator function, and pq is the degree of denominator function. This is the formula. And second case, if Un is the function of fractional powers. Okay, Un containing increasing powers of fraction powers. Increasing powers of fractions. Then you have to choose Vn as least degree term of fraction. Least degree. So what is the meaning of fraction here? Fraction means less than 1 actually. That is numerically between 0 to 1. So let us take one example. Suppose your un is sin 1 by n. Suppose un is sin 1 by n. So what is the least fraction term in this sin n? So first you have to remember sin function expansion. Sin x formula x 5 factorial, and so in the place of x we have 1 by n here. So using substituting x with 1 by n, what do we get? 1 by n minus 1 by n cube power 5 by 5 factorial.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir. Can't you this on कर रहा है?
Students, sorry for disturbance. My power poindi. That's why it's small disturbance. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Sorry
sir.
for inconvenience, Amma. Inconvenience. Yeah. Now I'm sharing screen. So here, how to find Bn? Second series Bn అనేది first case when un in the form of ratio of two polynomials. This is the formula. Suppose second case, suppose your un is in the form of increasing powers of fractional terms. Fractional ante that is least number, less than 1. In such case, you have to choose Vn as the least degree fraction of that expansion. Means, let us take one example. When your un is sin of 1 by n or tan of 1 by n, whatever it is, log of 1 by n. So 1 by n terms ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 by n powers increasing లో ఉన్నప్పుడు d or 2. And what is the meaning of sin 1 by n? Sin x, this is sin x expansion. X cube by 3 factorial and so on. That is the sin 1 by n is 1 by n, 1 by 6 and 1 by 3 factorial kada, 6 with n cube, 1 by 120, 5 factorial n power 5 and so on. So in this expansion, which is the degree, least degree term? Which one is least degree term in this? Am I audible, students? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what is the least degree term in this expansion? Least degree term in ikkada 1 by n power 1 undi ikkada 1 by n power 3 undi, 1 by n power 5 undi. What is the least degree in this?
1 by n, 2n minus 1.
1 by n amma, 1 by n only, 1 by n only. ఇక్కడ 1 by n power 3 ఉంది. అంటే ఇలా సింపుల్ ఐ గోయింగ్ రైట్ జస్ట్ 1 by n power 1 ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ 1 by 6 into 1 by n power 3 plus 1 by 120 into 1 by n power 5 and so on. Which is the least degree term in this? In sine function expansion, 1 by n. So we have to choose Vn as 1 by n. Remember this, very simple technique. First case, when un is in the form of ratio of two polynomial functions, then choose Vn as n power numerator degree minus denominator degree. Hence, we get Vn as some p series. P series vastundi Vn manaku. We know the nature of series. At the same time, if your un is in increasing powers of fractional terms, then choose Vn as the least degree of fraction term. Antende sin 1. Some example cheptanu ikkada. For example, if un is sin 1 by n, then in un sin 1 by n expansion, choose the least degree term. Ante minimum degree 1 by n ఉంటుంది. Whatever the function variable here, that will be least degree. That is 1 by n power 1. So Vn is 1 by n. Now what is the nature of this Vn here? What type of function is this? What type of series is this?
P test.
Again
P
P
series.
series. P series. Which being P series, what is the nature?
Divergence.
Divergence. Power of n is 1. So P is equal to 1 ante diverges. And sigma Vn diverges. So next ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? Sin un by Vn limit non-zero hence example on limit comparison test today. So first example, sigma un is equal to sigma n square plus 1 by n power 4 plus 2n square minus 2. So this is the question, Amma. Now we have to find the nature of this series. First you have to remember, you have to identify which test is suitable to this series. First of all, ఏ టెస్ట్ సూటబుల్ అవుతుందంటే మనకు ఫస్ట్ ఐడియా రావాలి. లాజికల్ అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సిరీస్ చూడగానే you have to remember which one is suitable. You have to identify what is the suitable test for this series to find the nature of the series.
n power numeric degree minus
Yeah.
numeric degree.
Yes, this is first of all un is in the form of function by some other function. Polynomial ratio of two functions undi. And definitely this is goes to limit comparison test. The only suitable test is limit comparison test. No other test. We cannot apply SN test. We cannot apply nth term test. We cannot apply geometric test. We cannot apply P test because the series not satisfies those test properties rules. So the only possible suitable test is limit comparison test. So now let us go to. So un is equal to, let us only collect nth term. First మీకు ఇలా series form లో ఇస్తారు, sigma తో ఇస్తారు. First write un alone, that is nth term of the series. What is that? n square plus 1 by n power 4 plus 2n square minus 2. This is your un. Now how to find vn? What is the formula?
n power p minus q.
Yeah, n power p minus q. What is p? What is q? p ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? డిగ్రీ ఏంటి?
minus 4.
Right, n power 2 minus 4. That is n power minus 2. that is
1 by
n
n
power
square.
1 by n square.
P test.
Now let us write the series form. Now only nth term is second series nth term, but let us write second series using summation notation 1 by n square. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండమ్మా, what is Vn nature?
Convergent.
Yes, which is in the form of being the sigma Vn being P form, P series with P is equal to 2, which is bigger than 1, implies sigma Vn is convergence.
Convergent.
Yes, now here we okay now just we confirm the nature of the Vn here only, just stop here. So now we find one known series. Now here we find one known series, one series we know its nature. Okay na, anyway Vn nature manaku idea untundi ikkada according to P test. Now let us go to limit comparison test. What is the limit comparison test form procedure? Limit on ratio of Un by Vn. ఇంతవరకు Vn పార్ట్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా. Vn ఒక పక్క పెట్టేద్దాం, జస్ట్ దిస్ నేచర్ we find this nature, keep it aside. Now let us find the limit of Un by Vn. Limit n tends to infinity. What is Un amma? N square plus 1 by n power 4 plus 2n square minus 2 by what is Vn? 1 by n square అంటే పైకి వస్తుంది into 1 n square by 1 వస్తుంది, reciprocal. See, now simplify the limit amma. How to simplify this? See the denominator degree numerator degree same ఉన్నప్పుడు నాన్ జీరో వస్తుంది. n square తీసుకోండి అవుట్ సైడ్, 1 plus 1 by n square, ఇక్కడ ఇంకో n square కనుక ఇది n power 4 రాద్దాం. By take n power 4 outside,
1 sir, answer.
1 plus 2 by n square minus 2 by n power 4, close the bracket. Now applying cancellation of n power 4, n power 4, now applying the limit as n tends to infinity, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 minus 0. So finally the limit is 1. Okay, now limit is 1. Now limit one. What is the one? Non-zero finite. One is non-zero and also which is finite. Non-zero okada kadamma, finite undale number. It should not be infinity. It should be non-zero finite. So emochi manaku limit according to limit comparison test we got our okay suitable conclusion we got non-zero finite. So here how to write the according to
Limit comparison test.
Limit comparison test sigma Un and sigma
Vn are
Vn
convergent.
behave alike. That is, if sigma Vn ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం, since sigma Vn is convergence implies sigma Un also
Converges.
converge. ఇట్లా రాసుకున్నాము. This is the procedure. అంటే according to the limit comparison both have same nature, but already we know the nature of Vn here. Previous already we studied about this. Okay, now what is the nature of Vn? Which is being in the form of P series with the term P is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. So according to P test, sigma Vn is convergence. Okay, hence sigma Un also convergence by limit comparison test. It is very important. ఇక్కడ నుంచి క్లారిటీ క్లియర్ ఇవ్వాలి. According to LCT, sigma Un, sigma Vn behave alike, అంటే they are either convergence or divergence together. Now ఇక్కడ since sigma Vn is convergence implies sigma Un also. So మనకు కావాల్సిన కంక్లూజన్ దీనిది కావాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అబౌట్ Vn. మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫైనల్లీ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో మనకు ఇచ్చింది ఇది, యువర్ గివెన్ సిరీస్ సిగ్మా UN, నాట్ సిగ్మా Vn. సిగ్మా Vn మనం ఇంటర్మీడియట్లీ మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. We are using this help of Vn. We form it. Okay. Next. Let us take one more example. Sigma sine of 1 by n. Now this is your Vn, un, okay, and then sigma un. Okay, so what is un here? Sine function, sine 1 by n. What is the sine 1 by n formula? Un is equal to sine 1 by n is some sine x అనుకుందాం. Sine x అంటే x minus x cube by 3 factorial అంటే 1 by 3 n cube. 3 factorial 6 plus x power 5 by 5 factorial అంటే 1 by 120 n power 5. Minus and so on, increasing powers of fraction, not only n. Only n unte not fraction, but 1 by n is fractional number. Okay na? So 1 by n cube, 1 by n power 4. Now how to choose Vn? Least degree term in this from this. Positive and negative. 1 by n is least degree term with positive sign. So we have to choose Vn as least degree fraction of un. We have to choose Vn as the least degree fraction of un. So un lo what is the least degree fraction? 1 by n. So Vn is sigma, right? Now sigma Vn discussion ikkada iddam. What is the nature of sigma Vn? ఏంటమ్మా ఇక్కడ? What is the nature of this series?
Divergence.
Divergence. Sigma Vn is divergence according to what test amma?
P test.
P test. With being p is equal to 1. రాద్దాం bracket లో, right? Now sigma Vn nature confirmed here. So now let us go to limit comparison test. Now limit of n tends to infinity. Infinite series లో మీరు అప్లై చేసే లిమిట్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ లిమిట్ అమ్మా, ఇంప్రాపర్ లిమిట్. యాజ్ n tends to infinity అనే ఉంటుంది ఈ లిమిట్ అయినా. ఓకే, రైట్. నౌ un by vn. Yes. What is the limit of un by vn? See. What is un here? Sine 1 by n. What is vn? 1 by n. చెప్పండి లిమిట్ వాల్యూ 1 అది 1 ఫార్ములా వేరు కదమ్మా. 1 ఫార్ములా అంటే యాక్చువల్గా 1 ఫార్ములా చెప్తాను. sin x by x
sin x is equal to 1.
లిమిట్ ఆఫ్ ఏంటమ్మా ఇక్కడ? x టెన్స్ టు ఏంటి? ఇన్ఫినిటీ కాదు కదా, 0. ఇప్పుడు 1, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫినిటీ లిమిట్స్. సి, కెన్ వి కంపేర్ దిస్ లిమిట్ విత్ దిస్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములా?
No.
Then how? But we can amma. If I take 1 by n as y, let 1 by n as y anukunda 1 by n. Then if n tends to infinity, what will be a y value?
0.
Let us substitute that. The limit y tends to 0, sin y by y 1 kada?
Yes sir.
So this is 1. Okay na? So what we got finally? Limit of n by vn is equal to non-zero finite number. ఈ 1 or 2 కాకుండా ఏం రాయాలి మనం? non-zero finite రాయాలి మనం. non-zero finite అయి ఉండాలి. దట్ షుడ్ బి non-zero. It should not be infinity. ఓకే, 0 ఉండొద్దు, ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉండొద్దు, ఫైనైట్ non-zero ఉండాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో నౌ అకార్డింగ్ టు లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ un vn? Students, according to limit comparison test, what is the nature of un vn? What is the conclusion? We got the conclusion. Yes, convergence kadamma. Why?
Divergence.
Since sigma vn is divergence, hence sigma un also diverges. So what is the final conclusion వచ్చింది? Sigma sine of 1 by n is diverges. This is the formula. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Example 3. Sigma un is equal to sigma under root n square plus 1 minus n. Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. ఇప్పుడు this is third case, మీకు fourth case. When radical terms are there in the numerator, what to do? Radical terms విషయం ఏం చేయాలి మనం? How to?
Rationalization.
Yes, rationalization. So what is un here? Root over n square plus 1 minus n. Now what is the rationalization? What is the conjugate factor for this?
Root n square plus n plus n
Root n square
plus 1 plus n.
plus n. అంటే multiply divided with its conjugate factor. అంటే n square plus 1 plus n. What we get finally after simplification of this? A plus b, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. అంటే a square minus b square. అంటే n square plus 1 minus b square by under root n square plus 1 plus n. Yes. Now n square gets cancelled. Now we get un is equal to 1 by root over n square plus 1 plus n. Now we got some conclusion. Compulsory numerator degree should be less than denominator degree. As already చెప్పాను ఇంతకుముందు. Just what are the conditions to apply limit comparison? అంటే first condition, un should be in the form of f of n by g of n. un should be in the form of f of n by g of n, where the degree of f of n should be less than degree of g of n. అంటే numerator degree should be less than denominator degree. Now we got that form. Okay, what is the degree of numerator ఇక్కడ? What is the degree of numerator?
Constant 1.
0
0
n power 0 ఉన్నట్టు కదా 0. But what is the degree of denominator degree ఏంటమ్మా?
2.
1.
ఈ డిగ్రీ స్క్వేర్ ఉందమ్మా, స్క్వేర్ బయట తీసుకునే వస్తుంది n వస్తుంది అంతే. అంటే 1 అంటే 0 1 అంటే డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ ఈస్ హైయర్ దెన్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్. సో నౌ వి కెన్ అప్లై లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్. అప్లై ఉన్నాం. నౌ వి కెన్ అప్లై లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్. ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేయొద్దు. వి కెనాట్ అప్లై లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ హియర్ బికాజ్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈస్ హైయర్ దెన్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్. డామినేట్ చేయదు న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీని. సో అందుకని ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ వి హావ్ టు బ్రాట్ ఇంటూ దిస్ ఫార్మ్. By using this rationalization technique, we have to obtain this form for un. After getting this form, then we can apply. అంటే రూట్ క్లియర్ అయినట్టు మనం ఎల్సిటీ అప్లై చేయడానికి రూట్ క్లియర్ చేసుకోవడం మనం జస్ట్ వే క్లియర్. నౌ లెట్ us apply the limit comparison test. So according to limit comparison test, ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? What is the first step? vn ఫామ్ చేయాలి. వెరీ గుడ్. vn ఏంటమ్మా? n పవర్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఏంటి? 0 minus what is the degree of denominator? 1. అంటే n పవర్ minus 1 అంటే 1 by n. అంటే what is the nature of vn? Now sigma vn is divergence series by this which is being in the form of p series according to p test, which is divergence by p test.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us go to same step by step formula మారదు ఇక్కడ as usual. Now go to limit comparison test. Limit comparison test ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? Limit of un by vn. That is limit n tends to infinity. un ఏంటమ్మా? 1 by root n square plus 1 plus n into 1 by n అంటే n వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 1 by vn. So now taking limit n tends to infinity of n by taking n square outside from the radical form, what do we get? n power 2 power 1 by 10 వస్తుంది into here in root 1 plus 1 by n square plus 1. See, taking n from this, ఇక్కడ n square తీసుకుంటే n వస్తుంది. n కామన్ కనుక taking n outside, we get this form. Now n gets cancelled. Now applying the limit, what we get? Limit n tends to infinity of 1 by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1.
1 plus 1.
1 by 2. Non-zero finite.
1 by 2.
Non-zero finite. Now, according to limit comparison test, since the limit is actually, since the limit of un by vn is non-zero finite, now according to limit comparison test, sigma un and sigma vn behave alike. Now, but since sigma vn is divergence, implies sigma un also
divergence.
Divergence.
ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చిందమ్మా లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ ఎట్లా అప్లై చేయాలి అదే ప్రొసీజర్ అర్థమైంది కదా
Yes, sir.
ఓకే లెట్ us take one more example. ఓకేనా let us one more example ఇంకా క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది మీకు Yeah. This is also same type earlier. Sigma un is equal to sigma n power 4 plus 1 minus n power 4 minus 1. మీరు చెప్పండి నాకు ఫాస్ట్ చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్, కెన్ వి అప్లై లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ఆన్ దిస్ సిరీస్? No. Because what is the reason?
The form is f of g by f of n by g of n.
Yeah, but denominator లో 0 డిగ్రీ ఉంది, 1 ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ, అంటే n పవర్ 0. డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీ 0, న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ 2 ఉంది, అంతేనమ్మా? డామినేటర్. సో ఫస్ట్ we have to obtain that form. అంటే for that what is the suitable form? Rationalization. So first un rationalization. అంటే n పవర్ 4 plus 1 minus n పవర్ 4 minus 1 into ఇప్పుడు ఇస్తారు n power 4 plus 1 plus
n power 4 minus 1.
Yes, by this one. అంటే multiply divide. n power 4 plus 1 plus n power 4 minus 1. Now a plus b into a plus b, a square. So now n power 4 plus 1 minus n power 4 plus 1 by n power 4
plus 1
plus n power 4
minus 1.
Right. Now n power 4 gets
N
cancelled.
power 4 gets cancelled. 2 by
n power 4
n
plus
power
1.
4 plus 1 plus n power 4 minus 1.
Yeah. This is our un. Now un satisfies the rule of limit comparison. Now we can apply limit comparison test for un since the limit of the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Both are same. This and this both are same. Just we brought this form into here by just to intermediate step. This is using this step which
Using
transform to,
rationalization.
yeah. Now let us find Vn. What is the Vn, amma? In power degree of numerator is
2 constant 2.
0.
2 ఉందంటే the meaning ఇక్కడ 2 into n power 0 ఉన్నట్టు. ఓకేనా? By minus what is the degree of denominator?
2.
n power 4 taking out so n square వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ n square second degree. Yeah. So n power minus 2 1 by n square. Now sigma vn ఏంటమ్మా? sigma vn is equal to sigma 1 by n square. Now what is the nature of series? Sigma 1 by n power p value 2 according to by p test which is converges. So sigma vn is converges by p test. Just to p ఇక్కడ vn nature ఇంతవరకు సరిపోతుంది. Just to decide the nature of un by limit comparison test, we form vn. This is our choice. We prepare this series using this formula n power p minus q formula. Okay. Now let us go to limit comparison test next. What is limit comparison test? Limit of un by vn. The limit, what is un? 1 by 2 by root over n power 4 plus 1 plus root over n power 4 minus 1 into what is the vn? 1 by n square, taking numerator n square. So limit n tends to infinity of n square by 2n square by taking n power 4 outside from the radical form, we get n square. Now remaining of the 1 plus 1 by n square n power 4 plus 1 minus 1 by n power 4 outside. Now applying the n square gets cancelled here. Now apply the limit as n tends to infinity. What we get? 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. What we get finally? Limit of the limit apply the direct 2 by 1 plus 1. 2 by 2 and is equal to, it is non-zero finite. So what is the conclusion we got? Limit of un by vn is equal to non-zero finite, and which satisfies the rule of limit comparison test. Whatever the okay, according to conclusion, according to limit comparison test, sigma un, sigma vn behave like this formula. I like. Suppose if you get 0 limit here, then what to do? మీకు 0 వచ్చిందనుకో లిమిట్ ఏం చేస్తారమ్మా? సపోజ్ యూ గాట్ 0 హియర్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ 1. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కంక్లూజన్? స్టూడెంట్స్,
నాట్ అలైక్
అంటే ఏంది? నాట్ అలైక్ కాదు అక్కడ.
It is not
లిమిట్
applicable.
కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ఫెయిల్ అమ్మా. లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ఫెయిల్. సింపుల్ రాస్తాను కదా. లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ఫెయిల్. మనకు కావాల్సిన నాన్-జీరో ఫైనైట్ ఉండాలి. Suppose if we get infinity limit, if we get infinite limit, what is the conclusion?
సేమ్ ఫెయిల్.
లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ టెస్ట్ ఫెయిల్ అంటాం అంతే. అంటే ఈ టెస్ట్ ఒకటి ఫెయిల్ అయినట్టు అక్కడ. సిరీస్ నేచర్ లేదని కాదు మీనింగ్. సిరీస్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది నేచర్ ఐదర్ కన్వర్జెన్స్ ఆర్ డైవర్జెన్స్. బట్ limit comparison test fails to decide the nature of the given series. We have to search for other nature, other test. There are number of tests in this infinite series topic. SN test, P test, geometric series test, nth term test, integral test. Okay na ma, చాలా టెస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది ఫెయిల్ అయితే we have to go for other test. But ఇక్కడ లిమిట్ కంపారిజన్ మాత్రం ఫెయిల్ అయిందని రాస్తాం. ఓకేనా? బట్ హియర్ we got non-zero finite, so both behave alike. So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాం? Since sigma vn is converges implies sigma un also converges. ఇలా చేయడము. ఓకే, now my question is, when we have to apply limit comparison system? Limit comparison system ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం చెప్పండి? What is the condition?
When degree of numerator.
Yes,
function is in un by vn, f of x by j of x form.
yes, the given nth term of the series, the nth term of the series in the form of the ratio of two functions,
X by g
two
of x.
polynomial functions in n, function of n by function of n, అంటే f of n by g of n ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే వాడతాం. సెకండ్ కండిషన్ అమ్మా, when un contains increasing powers of fractions, increasing fractional powers. Okay, so such type of example, one you are now taking one example. ఇది మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్. ఓకేనా? ఇది మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. సో టెస్ట్ ఫర్ కన్వర్జెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సిరీస్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n. And one more series, 1 by tan of 1 by n, not tan, right, tan of 1 by n. And one more series. All of you note down this question రాసుకోండి. Try practice at home, all of you. And cubic root of n cube plus 1 minus n. So all of you note down these questions. Test for convergence of the series. First one, sigma 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n. Second question, tan of 1 by n. Third question, cubic root of n square n cube plus 1 minus n. ఈ 3 క్వశ్చన్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా, ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గివ్ యువర్ roll number, write a roll number in chat box and exit the session. Okay, leave the session. I'm stopping my sharing. Okay, thank you all.